That's what I'm talking about. You gotta relieve your pain. You know? It's good. Alright, now right hand across the chest. Hold it.
Yes.
Just breathe in and breathe out at the same time. Before you do anything, this is what you do. You just warm up your body. Get your mind ready. Get energy flowing through your body. You know? Right by the neck of your neck. Good work. Small circle, start small. Medium. Large. Just go back, small.
I'm coming.
Medium. Large.
Y'all sound like a bunch of me.
Nice. Work out your waist. Waist is another essential part because waist is your integration of your legs and your upper body. So your waist is very, very important, right? Side. Lovely. Now real quickly, let's lift the right foot up and see how your balance is. Nice. That's a good balance. What the left foot. As you can see, you don't have good balance. Nice. Now, bring your right foot toes up. You grab your toes and you gently pull your feet. So you should feel right here stretching. That's your arm string or your hamstring. You want to make sure your hamstring is not stretched, but being stretched so it's easier for you to move. This part is another part of your body that will damage easy if you don't be careful. But because we're stretching, it reduces damage. Alright? Keep both foot together. Touch your toes. Stretch your arm string. Nice. Shake it out. Shake it out. How are you guys feeling? Good? Yeah? Alright. Mr. DJ?
All right.